If you've been looking for simple diapering, sis, look no further. Today, we're diving into Prefolds. Hey, I'm Jamie, the creator of ClothCuties.com, a site designed to encourage you to cloth diaper your baby. From an infant through the toddler years, I've got the tips and tricks you need to simplify your cloth diapering experience. What's up, y'all? Today we are diving into a common cloth diapering style, Prefolds. Prefolds are the most commonly used cloth diaper style in America. Now, this surprised me because when I think about Prefolds, especially originally, I thought about how much perceived work there was with Prefolds. It didn't sound like an easy to use diaper. However, when I really started to think about it, moms love this diaper. And if you use a cloth diapering service, many of them offer this style of diaper as their go-to or gold standard for their cloth diapering service. That means Prefold styles of diapers are used more often than you might think by the modern mama. Who knew? Prefolds are a 3-panel diaper with layers upon layers of cotton sewn into them. The middle panel is often thicker than each of the side panels. Oftentimes you have double the amount of layers in the middle panel than you do on the sides. The concentration of layers of fabric in the center is to give you an absorbent core, no matter if you're diapering a little boy or a little girl. And y'all, let me tell you, Prefolds are great if you're a little bougie too. You can get organic options that don't break the bank. With that, we're gonna get straight into the pros. The first pro, as you can probably see, Prefolds are incredibly soft. Now, if you need a reminder or a refresher on how this looks and feels, just think about the cloth diaper that you put on your shoulder when you're going to burp a baby. This is the exact same thing that your grandma says when she says, "Girl, go grab that diaper and let me put this baby on my shoulder." She's talking about this. With that idea in mind, Prefolds are soft and comfortable for baby. That's pro number one. The second pro, as you'll see shortly, is that Prefolds offer a customized fit. You get to pick and choose the absorbency and folding style every single time you put it on your baby. The third pro is that these wash really well and thoroughly. We all know how to wash cotton. These are really easy to clean and maintain. The next pro is that this style of diaper stands the test of time. You can use Prefolds on multiple, and I mean many babies. Our fifth pro is that these diapers are almost exclusively made out of cotton. That means they're all made out of natural fibers. That means no microfiber or polyester touching your baby's bottom. I have seen, though, cotton bamboo blends. Our last and final pro is that, girl, these are economical. I have seen these on sale for as low as $1, $1.50, up to $2 for an individual Prefold. But if you buy them in bulk, you get a big bang for your buck, averaging about $13 to $15 for a dozen of Prefold diapers. Price-wise, it don't get much better than this on the cloth or disposable side. Now, let's turn to our cons. I only have 3 cons for you, but the first is that you'll need to get comfortable mastering your preferred fold. This isn't hard, it just takes practice. The second con is that you'll definitely need extra items in support of this diapering style. Many moms use snappies and they also use covers to make Prefolds a waterproof option. The last con that I have is that I would not use this diaper for a caregiver or to send to school. I believe the perceived burden of Prefold diapers is too high in an environment that there's many kids that they have to diaper fast. My tip is to send your easiest style of diaper to school for caregivers. And you could send Prefolds to school, but just make sure that you give your caregivers and teachers a little extra grace and time to learn how to use them. You'll also want to ensure that you send extra changes of clothes just in case there are accidents while they're learning. Now that we've covered the pros and cons, let me show you a little demo. Okay, y'all, let's get into this. So the first thing you need to know is that when you're using a Prefold, oftentimes you use snappies and a cover. So make sure you have all the supplies to start you off right. The first fold that I'm going to show you is what we call a pad fold. It's simply a trifold. Check it out, guys. It's literally this easy. This is an open pre-fold, and now you fold it in thirds where it naturally aligns on the seams. It's literally this easy. This is a fold that does not require a stamping. All you need to do after you fold it in thirds is put it inside a cover, lift up your baby's butt, and place them inside the diaper. It's literally that easy. Put the cover around them, snap it in place. Ensure that all the cloth is tucked in and that the leg gussets are properly aligned and tightened. This is an ill-fitting cover, but I think you get the gist. I'm noticing how stained this is. You can expect a video from me about how to treat stains in the near future. The second fold, which is called the jelly roll fold. Take the sides and start to roll them in. 1 or 2 rolls is sufficient. And once you have it pretty narrow, kind of outlining the center panel, what you'll do is place baby inside the diaper and fold it up around. You don't necessarily need the wings to be rolled tightly. You can use them as wings. Now, take your snappy, pin it on the 3 sides of the diaper. Finish off with putting the cover on the baby. Same procedure. We want to make sure all the cloth is inside the diaper. This is a perfect and easy use of the pre-fold diaper, especially for smaller babies and infants. It helps contain all the mess with that rolled edge. Check it out, girlfriend. No runny poops are getting out of that. The last fold I'm going to show you guys is also an easy fold. It's essentially a tri-fold with wings. Fold your pre-fold diaper into a rectangle. However, unfold it back at the middle point and create wings at the top. Again, put baby into the diaper. Take the rectangle portion in the front, fold it up nicely, and wrap the wings around your baby. You can fasten it with a snappy. Some moms also go without a snappy on this. I find it easier to use while you're putting on your cover. Grab your cover, fasten it, ensure all the cloth is tucked into the diaper properly. Let's size this one. Fasten your cover around the diaper. Tuck it, make sure no cloth is showing. Tuck it all in, and your baby's ready to roam around. Those are 3 simple ways to use your pre-fold diaper. So my friends, you will like a pre-fold diaper if you're looking for a budget-friendly, easily customized diaper that stands the test of time with washes and children alike. This could be your new best friend. All right, guys, that wraps up my deep dive into pre-folds. I have to admit that I like pre-folds, especially because you can keep using them after you've stopped diapering your child. Pre-folds have become a nose wiper for me. They wipe up little messes when that's the first thing that I can grab. These are just great to have on hand. They're like the gift that keeps on giving. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. You can always head to our blog at clothcuties.com for more information to help you simplify your cloth diapering experience. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.